Hello, konnichiwa, magandang araw. I'm back. Hi guys, I'm here again. So the one that we received, we have unboxed. So we're going to make today. It's in here, so the sweet potato are here, so we're going to wash all of this now. This is plastic. Do you remember this, which we unboxed from KOCHI KEN, from the mother-in-law of my sister? Yeah, with this water. So let's start. Now we need a big saucepan. So this one I am using, it's a bit wide and big. Brush this. Because I think it's on the brush. Really put some water and small one, I think. So this is it. Put this into bowl in a big. So let's just wanted to put it on 20 minutes, but let's check it out later. So potato, water, and boiled. Let's get it out. Already my bowl here. So now I just build up 2 pieces. Here we are. Wow. So let's talk about first the sweet potato. A sweet potato is a dicotyledonous plant. So this is it, the mashing. This is it, the mashing. Let's mash it. So it's another mashing time. Anyway, right now I boiled again the second batch, so I could have lots of big sweet like me, sweet. Oh, like me? No, really? Okay, like big sweet potatoes. That's it. I don't have to mash this, mash and mash it. Oh, this hurts. Yeah, I needed some power, hand power, arm power. Okay, all of the power. Push. So this is the finishing touch. Yes, right now we are boiling the 10 grams of butter, and this is the 200 ml of milk. All right, our next step is 20 grams. I don't know, but maybe 20 grams of butter and 200 ml of milk. So, but because this will spill out, we have to cover it with the kitchen rug. Okay, I think the butter is already ready. Let's get it out from my very hot and melty. If it's not yet not enough, maybe we will have more. Yes, more. This. Okay. Also, we will put the milk. This. Yes. Still more like hard one that wasn't mashed. Let's go to the next step. This is with the batter. Okay. This is with the 10 grams of butter and 200 ml of milk. That's it. Hey guys, I'm sorry everyone. I forgot one more. A while ago I said we will have to put 10 grams of butter, and then I melt it and then put it, and then 200 evaporated milk. I forgot the evaporated milk also to make it more the taste more sweeter. So I don't like too much sweet, so I just put this size of separated. So here we go. Now we're ready after leaving it for 1 hour, like this, and cut. Okay, it's up to you how much size you wanted to make. So this is it. This is the finishing touch that I made my sweet baked potato, my own style. But I think I've learned this sweet potato bake making when my son was I think international school grade 4, I think, and then we did this. So now I did it all by myself here, homemade by me. Okay, let's taste it. Look how it's gonna be taste. It's gonna be it's very soft. It's easy to cut out with a small spoon, cake spoon. It's yummy and I think it's delicious. I think my son and my daughter will love this. Taste it again. That's it. That's my homemade baked cake. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, to share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button for more updates. Spread the word. God bless you all. Stay safe, healthy, and happy. See you again on my next adventurous vlogging. Stay healthy. Bye.